morning, dear students. How are you all? Hope you all are happy. So let's start today our maths work. So today in maths we are going to start from workbook. Okay. So our first chapter, what is long, what is round. Okay. In textbook already we did first chapter and now we are going to start from workbook. Okay. So same thing is there, but you are going to give answer. Pictures are given in the workbook, and just you can learn this different shapes, and you are going to keep one sign in the box. Okay. So our question is, put circle for round objects and arrow for long objects in the given box. Okay. Examples are given. In your workbook, examples are given. For example, first one is CD. The shape of this CD is in circle form, so it is known as round shape. So in the box you are going to put like this small circle, means round shape. Okay. And second one, picture of a pant. So here example is given and answer. So here you are going to do arrow, because shape of the pant is, you can say, long. Okay. And next one is cap of a bottle. ठीक है, bottle का ढक्कन shape is round. So here you are going to do circle. And this one, it is the shape of a stand. Okay, so long it is given, so arrow mark you are going to put. And next one is for the duster. So shape of the duster is long. Okay, so for long, arrow mark. And this is a one glass. Okay, so in a glass pot, it is you can see fish is inside, and shape is in the circle form, that means round. So in the circle you are going to do like this circle. Okay. Then third line, you can see a picture of a pan. Okay, so shape of a pan is long, so arrow mark. Next one, 1 rupee coin, round shape. Here you are going to do circle. Shape of the scale, long, arrow mark. Fourth line, okay, an alarm. So alarm shape is round. Here you are going to put this way. And a brush, painting brush. Okay, shape is long, arrow mark. Wheel, shape is round. So you are going to put round. And shape of the bat is long, arrow mark. And here you can see pumpkin picture. So here you are going to do round. And shape of the spoon is long, so arrow mark. Okay, students. See on next page, page number 6, we will learn more about the round and long objects. Here your work is there that you are going to do today in your workbook. So what you are going to do in the second question, color the round object green color. Okay, round with the green color and long objects yellow. Okay, so long object you are going to put, you are going to fill yellow color. Okay, so if you are still not clear, we will see this all pictures. Okay, carrot, so it is a long picture, long object you can say. So here you are going to fill yellow color. Ball, round, green color. Tree, yellow. Okay, I know tree is a green, but here we are going to make different shapes with the two colors only. Okay, so for that we are going to fill only two colors, yellow and we are going to fill green. Okay, so tree is actually green color, but shape is long. So for the long shape we are going to do, here it is given question, yellow color you are going to fill. Second one, okay, so bottle guard, yellow color. Apple, green color, round shape. Flag, long, so yellow color. Small bowl, okay, so green. Ladder, yellow, long shape. Shape of a pencil, long, yellow color. Shape of orange, round, so green color. Shape of a brush, long, yellow color. And here you can see a slice of a fruit, you can say. Okay, or you can say a color plate also. Okay, both example you can say. So here you are going to fill green color because round shape. And this one is also one type of button, so round shape, green color. Or you can say a small camera that we keep in the room, so that shape actually we are going to see only the shape. Don't think that which thing is that. We are just, you are going to know that what type of shape it is, long or round. Okay students, and shape of the pan, long, yellow color, and pomegranate shape is round, so green color. Okay, so in this you are going to feel only two colors, long yellow and for round green color. Okay, and now today we are going to learn one more thing on page number 7, more shape. Okay, see, shape is given and it can be roll or slide or a stack. Okay, so roll you already know, we did in 2-3 examples while we are taking chapter from the textbook. Okay, roll means that go round and falls down, and slide, this way you can see it goes like this. Okay, so slide, and round is like this it goes. And now third one is stack. What is stack? Also, if you remember, end of the chapter it was given. Stack means one type of bunch you can see, or you can keep object one upon the other. Okay, एक के ऊपर दूसरा जो आप रख सकते हो उसको stack बोलते हैं. ठीक है, for example shape. Okay, square. The square cannot roll, so wrong sign. Slide and stack तो right sign. Okay, एक के ऊपर हम रख सकते हैं तो roll नहीं होगा, slide and stack. Second one, rectangular shape, same way, roll नहीं होगा, slide right tick, stack right tick. Third one, a small ball. Okay, so small ball, it can be roll when we throw, or you can say not throw in the fast form, but just you put it down and just it, you can see it roll and goes from the one place to the another. Okay, slide wrong and stack also wrong, because आप एक के ऊपर दूसरा नहीं रख सकते, गिर जाता है. क्लियर? हाँ, लेकिन एक बात है, अगर नीचे कोई ऐसा सपोर्ट है शेप का और उसके ऊपर आप रखो, जैसे वेजिटेबल मार्केट में आप जाते हो तो फ्रूट वाले या टमाटो वाले रखते हैं तो पॉसिबल है, बट बिना नीचे कोई सपोर्ट के आप नहीं रख सकते हैं. ठीक है. एंड नेक्स्ट वन इज प्रिज्म, वन टाइप ऑफ अ डायमंड यू कैन से. तो ये रोल होगा, राइट टिक, स्लाइड होगा और स्टैक राउंड, एक के ऊपर एक नहीं रख सकते बिकॉज यहाँ पे पॉइंटेड है. देन सिलेंडर शेप. ओके, सिलेंडर, रोल, राइट टिक, स्लाइड, राइट टिक एंड स्टैक, राइट टिक. स्टैक कैसे? ऐसे हमने 2-3 रखे, जैसे मम्मी कटोरी रखती है ना कि कुछ ऐसे कबोर्ड्स होते हैं यहाँ किचन में, अगर आप देखो तो 3 नीचे कटोरी है, 3 के ऊपर 2 कटोरी, 2 के ऊपर एक और कटोरी. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल यहाँ पे एक ऐसे ऐसे हम लोग सर्कल बनाया और इसके ऊपर ऐसे, तो आप ऐसे सिलेंडर शेप को यू कैन डू ऑल द 3, रोल, स्लाइड एंड स्टैक. उसके बाद एक और शेप है प्रिज्म जैसा ही, जैसे ऊपर पॉइंटेड है, रोल, रॉन्ग मार्क, स्लाइड, राइट टिक और स्टैक नहीं होगा. द थर्ड वन, here we are going to do all the 3 things, slide, roll and stack. Okay, so a question is put circle for the rolling object. Okay, जो गोल गोल जाता है उसके लिए सर्कल, रॉन्ग मार्क स्लाइड ऑब्जेक्ट, और राइट आपको कैसे करना है फॉर बोथ रोलिंग एज वेल एज स्लाइडिंग ऑब्जेक्ट इन द गिवन बॉक्स, एंड examples are given. Okay, so for rolling, circle, for slide, wrong, and right tick for the both object, roll and slide. For example, here we are not seeing shape, but does it roll or a slide? Okay, so first one is pencil. For pencil, example is given, right tick. It can be roll also or it can slide also. And one a small lunch box is there, so for that slide is given, and one small marble, for that circle is given because marble rolls. Now in the second line, one water bottle. So water bottle both does. Okay, so we can slide also, we can roll also. Tomato, only rolling shape. Okay, sorry, rolling object. And third one, brinjal. Okay, so for brinjal also rolling object, so here you are going to do for rolling object, circle. And a ball, cricket ball, also rolling, so for rolling object, circle. Spoon, for spoon, both rolling and sliding, so right tick. And for duster, you are going to do wrong tick, that is the sliding. Next, fourth line, orange, For the orange, you can say we are going to put circle, that is the rolling, and mobile. So mobile also, both objects slide and rolling, so right tick mark. And a small dice also, you are going to do right tick, because while playing dice it rolls also, okay, and it slide also, so both for that right tick. And the last line, a plate, so plate slide, wrong mark. Gas cylinder, roll and slide both, so right tick. Cricket bat, slide, for that wrong mark, okay. So now we see on the next page, page number 9. So page number 9, here more you are going to do examples. For right tick, put right tick for the object which can be staked, and wrong mark for the object which cannot be staked in the given box. Examples are given. यहाँ पे क्या करना है, एक के ऊपर आप कौन सा ऑब्जेक्ट रख सकते हो, तो वहाँ पे आपको राइट टिक, और जो नहीं रख सकते हो तो उसमें रॉन्ग टिक. फॉर एग्जांपल मैचस्टिक बॉक्स, एक के ऊपर आप एक रख सकते हैं, राइट मार्क गिवन. स्ट्रॉबेरी एक के ऊपर नहीं रह सकती, ठीक है, रॉन्ग मार्क. स्केल एक के ऊपर, राइट मार्क. पोस्ट कार्ड, तो पोस्ट कार्ड जैसे हमारी रुपये की नोट होती है तो एक बंच बनाते हैं ना, एक के ऊपर एक रह सकती है, सो राइट टिक मार्क. एंड अ रिंग, फिंगर रिंग, तो एक के ऊपर एक नहीं रह सकती, ठीक है, सो रॉन्ग मार्क. एंड अ स्टोन, तो कुछ स्टोन के शेप ऐसे होते हैं कि जो एक के ऊपर नहीं रह सकते, एक दो रहेगा फिर गिर जाएगा, ठीक है, सो रॉन्ग मार्क. एंड नेक्स्ट वन, मोबाइल एक के ऊपर एक रह सकता है, सो राइट टिक. एंड here you can see a shape of a fruit, and fruit also same as strawberry shape it is given, so it cannot be stacked, wrong mark. Rupee, 5 rupee note, okay, right tick, okay, एक के ऊपर एक रख सकते हैं. अगेन वन फ्रूट, चीकू, एक के ऊपर एक नहीं रख सकते, रॉन्ग मार्क. 1 rupee कॉइन, तो 1 rupee कॉइन आप एक के ऊपर रख सकते हैं, राइट टिक. एंड टेल्कम पाउडर आप एक के ऊपर एक रख सकते हैं, जैसे शॉप में रखते हैं, राइट टिक मार्क. बॉल एक के ऊपर नहीं रख सकते, रॉन्ग मार्क. एंड हियर यू कैन सी अ रेक्टेंगुलर शेप, और यू कैन से अ स्मॉल पीस ऑफ स्पंज ऑल्सो, राइट टिक मीन्स शेप इज़ गिवन, एक के ऊपर एक रह सकते हैं जिसका उसका शेप है. एंड नेक्स्ट वन मार्बल, तो मार्बल भी एक के ऊपर एक नहीं रह सकता, रॉन्ग मार्क. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, तो आज आपको क्या करना है, चैप्टर 1 आपका वर्कबुक में आपको कंप्लीट करना है, कलर फील करना है, और इसका आपको PDF भी आपको सेंड कर रहा है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, हैव अ नाइस डे. थैंक यू एवरीबॉडी.